G'day everyone, I'm Daniel Anderson here. Now, can your Copilot agents create Word documents based off your company branded templates? Common question, I get asked this all the time when we're creating agents. Well, the answer, yes, you can. Let's dive in and see how we actually set this up and get it working. I'm in my project summary Copilot here, my project manager. Can you give me the latest update, please? All right, let's just do that prompt first, right? So let's get an update of where we're at. Grounded in our project site, in all the documents, status updates, everything like that, all right? So it's going to do its work and it's gonna get me a result, all right? So here is my update, okay? So I've got everything here and this is good. I've got my sources, got my citations, everything like that. Now, let's ask this to create a Word doc. Can you now create a Word document using the templates I provided? All right, so I've added a template into the knowledge source of this agent. Now I want to create an output, all right? So I want to get it out of this chat and I want to get it into a branded document, an asset. Right, coding and executing. I've enabled Code Interpreter. I've given it that capability. Here is the document. I can download it. Right, latest project update. Let's open this file. All right, it's opening and let's have a look. I'm dragging this across. There's my doc. Right, and there is my company branded template. It's got the footer there. And it's using the styles and everything that is associated to that document, all right? So if you upload your templates or files to your agent's knowledge base and you explicitly say this in the instructions, right? So I've got down here, now let's have a look at my instructions or my knowledge. I've uploaded this document template. Now my instructions here, I've stipulated this, Word document creation. If a user asks, use that template and that file name. I've explicitly spelt that out in the instructions. The other thing that I've put in here, output style, I've just done this again. Every Word doc that gets created must always use the template that I've uploaded, all right? So there's an approach. Your agents can create branded Word documents. You just need to give it the knowledge, give it the template, instruct your agent how you want your documents created to use that template. So I hope that brings you some value. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.